Hey everybody, this is Poet Jen Harris coming to you live from my very professional recording studio, also known as my couch. And I know many of you have expressed interest in the writing workshop KC or the online writing workshop, which you can get through Patreon. So I wanted to give you a little taste, a little glimpse of what you can expect from those workshops, whether they're in person or online, by giving you a free writing prompt today. So I first ask that you grab your favorite writing medium, whether that's a notebook or tablet or a laptop, receipt, napkin, whatever makes you happy, and meet me back here and we will kick off the writing prompt. Since this is the first time that you have likely taken a writing workshop or done a writing prompt with me, I wanted to let you know what to expect and how it works. So generally the expectations are that you build community, you make time for your craft or passion, however you view writing, and that you don't have any judgments about your work. You just allow yourself to do the work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a prompt based on an inspiration, and then you're going to write for 10 minutes without stopping. You're not going to go back and erase or edit. You're not going to try and judge your work at all. What you're going to do is just take your first thought, which is almost always your best thought, and you're just going to run with it and see what your brain empties out. So the best part of this is you can surprise yourself, and you don't have to stick to any particular genre. So if this inspires you to write a poem, or it inspires you to write a short essay, whether that's first person or sci-fi, romance, whatever it is, there's no wrong way to do this. So that's all I ask, that you have a little faith in the process and that you write for 10 minutes without stopping and just see what comes out of you. All right, so now that we have the basics down and you understand how this works and what's expected of you, you are going to receive the following prompt. This prompt is inspired by Charles Bukowski's book, Slouching Toward Nirvana. And on the chapter page for part 3, there is a quote written by Bukowski, and the quote is, "We are all museums of fear. We are all museums of fear." So that's the inspiration for today. And your prompt that you're going to write for 10 minutes without stopping is, what is it that you're afraid of? What is it that you're afraid of? All right, I would like for you to write for 10 minutes. Ready, set, pause this video. Congratulations, whether you do it every single day or you haven't done it in years or months, weeks, a while, you just haven't done it today, you did write for 10 minutes. So that's fantastic. I hope you feel great about yourself. And I hope that if you enjoyed this prompt, you will join us either on Patreon or in person. I have workshops on Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays, and you're welcome to come out. You're never required to share. You're never required to put yourself out any further into vulnerability than you feel comfortable. All I ask is that you show up and you do the work, even if you just want to do it online, which is totally valid and acceptable. You can subscribe online, and then you will receive an email in your inbox every Wednesday morning, and that will have a video instruction experience like this one. It'll also have an attached PDF. So whatever works for you, however it works for you, I want to make it happen. I just want to see, hear, and experience your writing. And then you're also welcome to go ahead and share it on the community tab on Patreon, or you can share it in the Writing Workshop KC private group once you join online or in person. So thank you for taking the time to do this today, and I really look forward to seeing you in the writing workshops. Have a great day.